Hi friends, welcome back. Today we're gonna just decorate this beautiful little individual cake for a baby shower. We're gonna start off by dipping our foam balls. I got these on Amazon and I'll be linking them down for you guys. You're just gonna wanna dip them in some melted chocolate. This is kind of like how you make cake pops. You're just gonna dip and tap off all the excess chocolate. I like to let them harden at room temperature and then I set them on these foam blocks. So the theme was purple and butterflies, and right here I'm just dipping different size balls in the purple. This was a really small cake. She just wanted it for herself, so the balls are pretty small. I also used some white chocolate and then I also mixed white and purple to get a different shade of purple. For some of the smaller balls, I added this silver glitter and then I also did some purple ones. Right here, I'm mixing the white and purple to get a different shade and make sure that you're popping off any air bubbles. Right here, I'm just gonna start decorating and I'm using a small spatula and some white and purple buttercream. And then I'm sprinkling a little bit of nonpareils on the cake. And then I added the name. I had to be very careful because this was a Swiss meringue buttercream and it was really soft. Now I'm just gonna start adding all the foam balls on the cake. Right here I'm adding some larger pearl sprinkles and I'm just going all over the cake and just kind of filling up any blank spaces. Now these beautiful butterflies I got on AliExpress and honestly they were so cute. They also come with a little bit of blue ones. I'll try to link them down for you guys because like it gave such a cute butterfly effect when the air hit. I also added these beautiful glitter sprinkles that I had and I feel like this really made it like pop out a little bit more. I then hot glued some butterflies to some wire. And at first the wire was really long, so then I cut it and I feel like it was a little bit more sturdy. Now I'm adding some more buttercream on top of the cake because I left it too blank. And I'm just gonna finish off with my glitter spray. This cake was so beautiful, but like I said, the buttercream was really soft, so I had a really hard time transferring this small cake. But yeah, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I will be answering them. I'll also be linking the cake drum that I used and any other things that I might have missed. But yeah, you guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave me your like so I know that you are enjoying these short tutorials. Thank you so much for being here. I'll see you on the next one.